Dahil nauuso ngayon ang chow fan sausage, tara, samahan niyo akong gumawa nito gamit ng King James sausages na talaga namang swak sa panlasa at sa budget. First, instead of ground meat, gagamitin natin ang Korean sausage as ingredient sa chow fan natin. Slice lang natin ito into small cubes. Gumamit lang ako ng 3 piraso para sa recipe na to. Then after that, nagsaute na ako ng garlic and onion sa kawali with oil. Then I added the diced Korean sausage. Mix lang natin, then add tayo ng soy sauce and oyster sauce. Diced carrots, green peas, and the rice. Mix lang until well combined. Then add tayo ng white pepper, magic sarap, sesame oil, and green onions. Mix ulit natin until well incorporated. Then finally, add the scrambled egg and haluin ulit and set aside. Now let's fry one of our toppings, the cheesy Hungarian sausage. Alam niyo ba isa ito sa favorite kong sausage? Aside from its big na in size and flavor, cheesy and juicy pa. I mean, look at that oh. Next naman itong Japanese sausage. Iba naman ang atake ng flavor nito guys. Manamis-tamis at may umami sa bawat kagat. Maliit pero solid ang lasa. Perfect din itong pangbaon with kids and kids at heart. So there you have it guys, our sausage chow fan recipe. Kung gusto nyo rin ito, you can check it out sa page ni King James Foods. Actually, open sila for reseller and distributor. Aside sa mga sausages, meron din silang ibang frozen products like hotdogs, hams, longganisa, meatloaf at iba pa.